Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff, the weight loss journey at your feet. It seems impossible, right? Let's delve into the realm of overcoming mental barriers in weight loss. Many of us face a plethora of mental blocks when we set off on this journey. But what if I told you, it's not as impossible as it seems? Weight loss isn't just about cutting calories and hitting the gym. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of science that underpins weight loss. Picture an incredibly complex machine full of intricacies and nuances, constantly adapting and adjusting. That's your body. And understanding how it works is crucial for effective weight loss. First off, let's talk about metabolism, the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. This is the engine that powers your body, and it's always on, even when you're at rest. Your metabolic rate determines how many calories you burn, and it's influenced by factors such as age, gender, and body composition. So, when you're aiming to lose weight, it's important to consider your metabolism. Next up is the importance of a balanced diet. It's easy to think that weight loss is all about cutting calories. However, science tells us that the quality of those calories matters too. Consuming a balanced diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can help you feel fuller longer and provide the nutrients your body needs to function optimally. And then there's genetics. You know, the stuff that makes you uniquely you. Studies show that genetics can influence your susceptibility to weight gain, your body's fat distribution, and even your appetite. So while you can't change your genes, being aware of your genetic predispositions can help guide your weight loss strategies. But what about exercise? While it's true that physical activity helps burn calories, it also plays a significant role in maintaining muscle mass. And more muscle means a more efficient metabolism. So hit those weights. Finally, let's not forget about sleep. Yes, you heard it right. Adequate sleep is essential for weight loss. Lack of sleep can mess with the hormones that control your hunger and fullness cues, leading to overeating. So, it's not just about willpower, it's about understanding your body. But let's not underestimate the power of the mind in this journey. This journey isn't just about the physical transformation, it's also about the psychological metamorphosis. A key player in this is something called a growth mindset. It's an idea coined by psychologist Carol Dweck, and it's all about believing that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Now, you might be wondering, how does this relate to weight loss? Well, it's simple. A growth mindset can help you overcome challenges, persist in the face of setbacks, and see effort as the pathway to mastery. It's about understanding that failure isn't a permanent condition, but rather a stepping stone towards success. A study published in the Journal of Behavioral Medicine found that individuals with a growth mindset were more likely to stick to their weight loss plans, compared to those with a fixed mindset who believed their abilities were set in stone. They were also more likely to bounce back after setbacks and stay motivated even when progress was slow. Another study in the journal Obesity found that a growth mindset was linked to better self-regulation and healthier eating. Participants with a growth mindset were more likely to eat in response to hunger rather than emotions, and they were better at resisting temptation. So how can you cultivate a growth mindset? Start by recognizing that change is possible. Understand that setbacks are a normal part of the process, not the end of the road. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth, and remember that effort is a crucial part of the journey. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. Change takes time, and that's okay. But remember, a growth mindset isn't a magic bullet. It won't make the weight miraculously disappear. It's about making the journey a little less daunting, a little more manageable, and a whole lot more rewarding. It's about empowering you to take charge of your journey and steer it in the direction you want. Your mindset can be your most powerful tool or your biggest obstacle. Obstacles are not stop signs, they are guidelines. A truth that rings clear, especially when it comes to the journey of weight loss. Now let me share a personal story with y'all. There was a time when I felt trapped in a cycle of unsuccessful dieting and exercise. The constant failures were like a wall, impenetrable and towering. One day I stumbled upon a scientific study about the power of mindset, and it was like a light bulb moment. I realized that the biggest obstacle to my weight loss wasn't the lack of a perfect diet or exercise plan, but my own mindset. I was so focused on the end goal that I overlooked the small victories along the way. So I decided to shift my perspective. Instead of obsessing over the scale, I started celebrating the non-scale victories. Things like having more energy, feeling stronger, and being able to make it all the way through a workout video. I also started practicing mindful eating, really savoring my food instead of rushing through meals. And guess what? The weight started to come off. Not because of a miracle diet or rigorous exercise routine, but because I had changed my relationship with food and exercise. So here's my tip for you all. When you're faced with obstacles in your weight loss journey, don't see them as stop signs. They're guidelines, nudging you to find a different approach, a healthier mindset, a new way of seeing things. And remember, every victory counts, whether it's choosing a salad over a burger or walking an extra block. Don't let the scale dictate your success. Let your small victories, your improved health, your increased energy, and your happiness be the real measure of your progress. Remember, every step forward is a victory, no matter how small. And with that mindset, there's no obstacle you can't overcome. In the Bible, Corinthians 6:19-20 tells us that our bodies are temples. This is a powerful reminder that carries a deep significance. Our bodies are not just physical entities, they are sacred spaces, vessels for our souls. And just as we would care for a temple, we should care for our bodies. You see, faith and fitness are not two separate paths. They intertwine and complement each other, forming a bridge that connects the physical and the spiritual. A well-maintained body can serve as a firm foundation for a strong faith. In the physical realm, when we nourish our bodies with healthy foods and regular exercise, we are honoring the temple that is our body. We are acknowledging the divine craftsmanship that went into creating us. In the spiritual realm, faith can provide the motivation, the driving force to push past the physical barriers that we may encounter in our fitness journey. It's faith that can give us the strength to do that extra set, run that extra mile, or resist that tempting sweet treat. Remember, faith isn't just about believing in something greater than ourselves. It's about believing in our own potential, our own worth. It's about recognizing that we are capable of achieving great things if we put in the effort and dedication. So, let's bring faith into our fitness journey. Let's make our workouts not just a routine, but a spiritual practice. A practice of gratitude for the amazing capabilities of our bodies. A practice of respect for the divine gift that is our health. Whether it's a prayer before a run, a meditative yoga session, or simply a moment of silence before lifting weights, find a way to incorporate faith into your fitness routine. You might be surprised at the positive impact it can have on your overall well-being. So respect your body. It's the only one you've got. Did you know laughter can actually help you lose weight? Yes, you heard that right. Laughter, that wonderful, joyous sound, can be a secret weapon in your weight loss journey. When we laugh, it's like a mini workout for our bodies. Our heart rate increases, our muscles contract, and we burn calories. In fact, a hearty laugh can burn up to 40 calories in just 15 minutes. That's equivalent to a brisk walk or even a slow bike ride. But the benefits of laughter go beyond just physical. It also reduces the level of stress hormones in our bodies. And as we all know, stress can often lead to unhealthy eating habits. So by laughing more, you're not just burning calories, you're also combating those pesky cravings. Laughter also helps to foster positive social connections, which can provide the emotional support you need in your weight loss journey. After all, it's easier to stick to a healthy lifestyle when you're sharing a laugh with friends. So, don't forget to laugh a little. It might just help you on your journey. Now, for some bonus tips. We've talked about breaking barriers, the science behind weight loss, the power of mindset, overcoming obstacles, and the intersection of faith and fitness. And we've discussed the health benefits of laughter. But let's not stop there. We've got some extra nuggets of wisdom to share with you. First off, don't underestimate the power of positivity. It's not just a cliche, it's a brain-changing, barrier-breaking tool. You see, positive affirmations can actually rewire your brain to believe in your ability to lose weight. So go ahead, tell yourself you can do it, and watch as you start to believe it. Next, remember that consistency is key. It's not about making huge changes overnight, but rather small, sustainable changes over time. Maybe it's swapping out that daily soda for a glass of water, or taking a 10-minute walk after dinner. These small changes can add up to big results. Thirdly, don't forget to celebrate your victories, no matter how small they may seem. Did you choose a salad over a burger for lunch? That's a win. Did you make it to the gym even though you were tired? Another win. Celebrating these small victories can boost your motivation and keep you on track. Finally, remember to be kind to yourself. Weight loss is a journey, not a race. There will be ups and downs, victories and setbacks. But that's okay. The important thing is to keep going, to keep pushing, to keep believing in yourself. And one last thing, find a community. Whether it's a gym buddy, an online support group, or a family member, having someone to share your journey with can make all the difference. They'll cheer you on, pick you up when you're down, and celebrate your victories with you. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. So, are you ready to conquer your weight loss journey? Today we've taken a deep dive into the world of weight loss, and we've discovered that it's not just about diet and exercise. It's a journey of the mind as much as the body. We've explored the science behind weight loss, looking at 5 key points that show us just how our body responds to our efforts. We've learned that our mindset plays a pivotal role in our journey, and how a change in perspective can make all the difference. We've talked about overcoming obstacles, the hurdles that may stand in our way, and how we can leap over them, one small step at a time. We've seen how faith can be a powerful ally in our fitness journey, and how a little laughter can lighten the load and make the journey that much more enjoyable. And let's not forget those bonus tips, a few extra nuggets of wisdom to help us on our way. Remember, this is your journey. It's unique to you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to weight loss. So take these tips, these strategies, and mold them to fit your life, your goals, your journey. If you have a moment, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Your journey starts now. And always remember, the only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts from today. Until next time.